AutoSolos, probably the cheapest and easiest motorsport in the UK to compete in. The whole idea of AutoSolos is you can compete in your daily car, or you can also compete in a lightly modified car, as long as they're road legal. To drive a car in a AutoSolo, they must have tax, MOT and insurance. I've been doing AutoSolos on and off now for about 15 years. The last one I did was in my daughter's Nissan Micra, which is about a 15-year-old car, and it was great fun. I thought I'd give it a crack in the Exo Booster kit car. Lightweight cars are ideal for AutoSolos, but also cars with good low-end power, so I really wasn't sure how it was going to go in the Booster. So this is a little wander around before the event starts around the paddock. As you can see, MX-5s and the old Mark II Micras are very popular. You may think that Volvo estate is totally unsuitable for any sort of motorsport other than maybe towing a car to a track day, but you'll be surprised, that thing goes really well. There are several different classes within the entry for AutoSolos. Most are just based on the CC of the car, and then there's generally a class at the end for anything that's been modified or kit cars like my car. Some clubs also run a class for the sort of classics or pre-74 cars. This particular one doesn't, which is probably why there isn't that many old cars in this one. So to compete, all you need is a road legal car. You don't even need crash helmets, you don't need fire extinguishers, you don't need race overalls, you don't need any of the stuff that you need for virtually every other form of racing in the UK. Entry fees are normally about 50 quid, though some clubs offer heavy discounts for under 25s. Farnborough Club, it's about a tenner for under 25-year-olds. So when it's your group's turn to go out, you get in the queue and queue up. We're British, of course, we like queuing, don't we? So that's what we do when we go racing. When you get to the front, a timekeeper will signal to you to come forward to the start line. Once you're lined up on the start line, the timekeeper will tell you when it's safe to go. You don't have to go immediately. You can get yourself settled, get the revs up, do whatever you want to do, and then go in your own good time. Timekeeper gives you back your little bit of paper with your times on and tells you if you've messed up at all, hit any cones or taken a wrong one. You get 3 runs at each course and your best 2 times count. During the day there'll be 4 different courses, so in a whole day you get 12 different timed runs. It's a bit like being a kid again, racing around the local Tesco's car park. The only difference being you don't have to keep an eye out for the police doing these, and the only thing you could get at the end of the day is a trophy, not an ASBO. Here's my next run on that course. my very light, high-powered kit car? No, not exactly. Did I get beaten by some people in shopping carts, and maybe even that huge great big Volvo? Yeah, I reckon I did. But did I have a good day? I certainly did, and do you know, I really can't think of any other form of motorsport that you can do for 50 quid and have a whole day out and meet new people, meet new petrol heads in fact, and just have a great day. So I will be doing more auto solos in my kit car this year. Probably not winning them either, because I just make too many mistakes. But I have fun, and that's what it's all about.